Okay. What the fuck going on YouTube? It's your boy SayyCrew and I'm back with another banger. Today I got y'all another shoe review, you feel me? They just sent me another shoe, so I'm finna review the shoe for y'all, let y'all know, you feel me? But I want to start it out by thanking B-Kicks for sponsoring this video and sending us free shoes and shit like that to review for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I want everybody to go tap in with them and put their name on the screen or somewhere and shit. Y'all put me, y'all go tap in with them, you feel me? But if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get into that banger. We got this package right here, you feel me? I will show y'all to the side, but it got the logo on here, and I can't let y'all know the logo, so you feel me? You know, for this package, I'm gonna get back there. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and then get into this banger. Alright, gang, I'm back, you feel me? Boom. I done took the logo out, so now we just got the box, you feel me? And so shit, I'm gonna break down everything for y'all and talk y'all and let y'all know how I feel about this shoe and shit like that. But like I said, go tap in with them, you feel me? B-Kicks, you feel me? Putting it on the screen. And also follow me on Instagram, which also finna be on the screen. So, let me open this box. That damn tired tape shit. I got them motherfuckers open, you feel me? Boom. Last might have been stepping on the box and shit, but okay. You feel me? Okay. Okay, man. They be hard though. And they got a discount code, you feel me? I go check them out, you feel me? Discount code CAM, you feel me? You get 10% off, you feel me? You go to their website name and shit. So, like I said, go check them out. If you plan on shopping or whatever, you know what I'm saying, go tap in. Make sure you use the name CAM for get 10% off. Shit like that. They been fucking with us, so y'all go show them some love, you feel me? You feel me? I ain't never had no Jordan box like this though. You hold hard though, oh God. You hold hard. On everything. I don't even know what type of bottom this is. Like, it's like a whitish bottom. This ain't even, you feel me? Like a creamish color. That shit hard. That fresh, you know how that new shoe smells. They got that smell, that be hard. These hoes called the Gratitude Alums, aka DMP, something like that. That's what I just heard. So, hey, feel me? These hoes hard. I think they dropped December 9th, 2023. But they came out before, so y'all know how they just be re-releasing them and changing some bottom. Most likely they just be changing the bottom of the shoe color. But these hoes hard though, God, like. These hoes, God. Oh God. God. That big down there. Majority look like the Concords. If you ever had the Concords, know what the Concords is? It's a black and white 11. That, you feel me, that came out and showed. They would kind of look like the Concords, but their bottom hard. It's a different bottom. Like I never had no Jordan 11's bottom this color. Like it's like a creamish color, like a whitish color. That shit different. That shit different, bro. I fuck with that. Show y'all these hoes. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all rock these. Would y'all rock these or would y'all get it? Like, is a cop or drop? Let me know in the comments. Would you cop them or would you drop them? You feel me? How y'all looking? I cop them. Like, they hard. Like, I'll rock the fuck out of these hoes. Get you a raw ass hoodie or a shirt that go with these. I'll rock these bitches, bro. Let me see what these hoes look like. See that cushion look like. Cause 11s be some uncomfortable shoes though, but I ain't gonna lie. Some of them be uncomfortable as fuck. Like I can't wear them for real, but They be, you know what I'm saying? Some of them be comfortable. Some of them, they don't be. I don't know. And then some of them kind of run small, like, so you had to get kind of like a half in your size, like a 5.5, 6.5, shit like that. You had to get your half. These hoes hard, like, compared to the cherry lamps. Last year, I think the cherry lamps was like the Christmas shoes or whatever. Compared to them shoes and these shoes, which shoe would you choose? The cherries or would you choose the DMPs, you feel me? Cause the DMPs is hard. I fuck with the DMP, but them cherries you know what I'm saying? They're red and white, but that's just because, you know, Christmas red and white theme, but these hoes fire. These hoes sexy. You throw you a little raw ass fit on these bitches hit. But I fuck with these hoes, you feel me? Like I said, let me know in the comments if y'all fuck with these hoes, you feel me? I got some, you know, the regular 11 shoestrings, you feel me? White, little thick ropes type shit. Goddamn. You feel me? Y'all see the Jumpman sign. Look, goddamn goldish chrome. Not chrome, I mean copper little color. You feel me? You see the back. Say the 23 little copper. That shit hard. Like I said, the bottom is my favorite part of this shoe. Like 11's bottoms is like my favorite part of their shoe. That shit just hit different. That shit hit different. You feel me? But like I said, let me know in the comments if y'all would cop or drop. If you a cop, let me know. But like I said, if you plan on shopping or, you know what I'm saying, checking them out or whatever, make sure you use that code CAM. You feel me? Get you a 10% off discount. You feel me? They gonna fuck with you because they fuck with me. And they fuck with me, they fuck with y'all. So shit. Go ahead, tap in. You feel me? I really appreciate them for sending us a shoe and letting us check it out. And you know what I'm saying? Doing a little review on it. Like, that shit hard. Like, that shit hard. If I was y'all, I'd tap in. That's just me though, you feel me? That's just me though. I'd tap in. Don't miss this, you feel me? And they give me out 10% out, you feel me? Check them out. Because of the kids, you feel me? But it's because of y'all, you feel me? Because without y'all, it wouldn't be no me and shit. You feel me? But like I said, go on, like, comment, subscribe on the video, you feel me? At the end of this video, I got something I gotta do, and it can't be on camera, so shit. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Road to 2K, we on the way. You feel me? I'm finna keep bringing me bangers. I know I've been missing some days. I ain't been dropping. But shit been coming up. Shit, I look tired. I know I look tired. So y'all already know what's going on. You feel me? And I'm out.